So this is Family Electric Ghost, and we've been doing what we call stream of conscious recording for a long time. And lately, we've been able to increase our capabilities by using the Zoom Q8 camera, which allows us to do a web stream through our partner StreamYard, and then it gets out there on all of our channels, our YouTube, our Twitch, our Facebook. And we use this to do our new video podcast, but we also are using it to do performance, and is how we're going to do the PEG Family Electric Ghost Bedroom Producer Festival from July 16th to the 18th, which Josephine talked about on her podcast. But we're going to talk about how we actually use live recording through a stream using StreamYard to get to these channels, to inspire us to do a recording session where we don't just keep on starting and stopping. We actually go with it and do a lot of, what we call stream of conscious recording, where we have an idea, we kind of go into it, and we elaborate on a basically more kind of a poetic songwriting style, where we just let it come out of the ether, let it come out of the the muse just comes to us, and we just write what we feel and write at the board. And we're a DAW-less recording act, which means we don't use a digital audio workstation. Our recording tools of choice are the combination of a Roland MX1 performance mixer, which is hooked up directly to our hardware synths, digital synths, and analog synths like Moog Mother 32, Moog DFAM, Moog Grandmother, Arturia Mini Brute 2S, and then digital synths like the Juno GI from Roland, JDXI hybrid analog synth, with digital synths like the OPZ from Teenage Engineering, and the System 1M, which is a hybrid analog modeling synth. Plus our Eurorack modules, which we push from Make Noise, the MATS utility module, which you can do LFOs, and you can do envelopes with, and you can actually do oscillators with it. And then the strange bird of a sampling unit, which is the Make Noise Morphogene, which is our sampler of choice. So we also use the sampler inside of the OPZ, and we use that a lot. And we actually use the drums on the OPZ a lot. Most of our drums are actually coming from a JDXI connected to a BeatStep Pro. And the cool thing about the BeatStep Pro is, like, in real time, we can change up chain patterns, and projects load very fast. So compared to some groove boxes, so I think the 707s and the MC101s load pretty fast. But we love the BeatStep Pro because you can just have projects on it and bounce between projects and immediately do chain patterns on the fly. We just put them together really fast in real time, and we do that a lot for our music. We actually do a lot of stream of consciousness recording, and one of the key tools is the BeatStep Pro, which allows us to do that. And then our analog synths with multiple sequencers on board, from the 32-step Mother 32 sequencer, which we use a lot, to the 8-step sequencer on the DFAM, and then the 256-step sequencer on the Grandmother. And then there's a 64-step sequencer on the Arturia Mini Brute 2S. And so we've got multiple sequencers. We got multiple recording capabilities. With the R24, we're able to track up to 48 tracks after we bounce. We're able to do muting and unmuting tracks. And we're also able to take advantage of all these analog synths and run different clocks into them. So we can run a Grandmother clock driving a DFAM, or a DFAM driving a Grandmother, or Mother 32 driving a DFAM. We have a lot of capability to kind of mix it up. A lot of times we like to use the LFOs off the Arturia Mini Brute 2S and have that drive the DFAM, or have that drive the Mother 32. So yeah, one of our key tricks is actually pitch syncing the Mother 32 to a guitar type sound off of the Roland Juno GI, which you'll hear in these songs and Dancing and Drowning in the Shallow Waters. We use that. We also use it in Hun, I Know You Like It Hard. And these songs are all just kind of jam sessions that we do with our band. And the band is really, our instruments are members of the band, because we use these synthesizers become members of the band. We let them kind of tell us how we're going to play. And that's what we do with Expansive Sound. Now, we're very excited that we're going to bring this type of sound to everybody by encouraging bands to play live original material in this concert that we're doing in July. And nobody's getting paid, but everybody's doing it because they love music and they want to push their band and have a place to play. And so this is a cool thing that we can do with all of our guests on the podcast. We encourage you to check it out on our Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch channels from July 16th to the 18th. It will start around 6 o'clock at night on the 16th, run to 11 o'clock at night, and then run from like 7 in the morning to 11 o'clock at night during the day on the 17th and the 18th. So we're very excited about being able to do this. It's going to be pretty cool. And, this is just our version of how we do it. You can see the YouTube video that we've attached of how we actually get this going. And we hope everybody's into it. And again, become a supporter of the podcast so that we can actually pay people in the future. So become a supporter if you like the idea of doing stuff like this and you like the idea that we're doing this. Donate to us through the PayPal Me link one time, or become a supporter of the podcast through Anchor FM, and that would be appreciated. Thank you very much.
Drown the shallow waters in my blood red gown. Got me everywhere in town. Love got me everywhere on the town. And love's got me everywhere on the town. I'm wearing my vampire blood, blush red granny gown. Your love's got me everywhere and down. Your love's got me everywhere in my blush red blood red gown. And when I saw you when you're down, I know you were fine. You're the kind of girl you can spin the ball around. You're kind of girl spin the ball down. Kind of girl spin yourself uptown. and gather it all down. And gather it all down. Gather it all down. That's it. What's wrong with the fools of town? You drink the poison, guzzle it all down. You drink the poison, guzzle it all down. You drink the poison, guzzle it all down. The Wall Street walls always want you around. Walls always want you down. This dude don't got nothing on my first wagon. Susie don't got nothing on Josie when she's down. Down, 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 down. I guzzle it all down. Spin swallowing uptown. You know where I'm down. This town says deep enough to drown. This town says deep enough to drown. This dance had the depth enough to drown. You go ahead and go the bottle on down. Black man count. Yeah, Josie more than that. Yeah, black man count. Yeah, drinking under the table when you're going down. Deep enough to drown. And now it's just showing us about. Everybody's dancing, jumping up the track. Ain't nobody there when you're uptown. And Sonic for you down. Up when you wanna get uptown. Your power knows but knows the crowd. And shoot up when you go down. Did you break your babe? Into that dumb way. Into that dumb way. Did you break? That was the first mistake. Not okay. Yeah, I say you can't go. Yeah, I say you can leave your whole planet blue. Yeah, I say yes and no. Into that dumb way. Dumb away. Did you break? Now got to do it all. Forget the way I said. Well, we do it in the dark. Your skin spark makes you run to my heart. If I had no bargain, just go to me hard. If I had no bargain. Has no butter, ain't darling to Josie Hart. There's no butter, and neither to Josie Hart. again. Depth enough to drown. This dead feet turned and tied back. Depth enough to drown. Oh yeah, tied down and now, death, are you ready for it now? Oh, but was somewhere when going down. No man post you want to see it up front. And it's play right. I want that now death game. I want it, we can't really explain. $1 back home. What you do with Miss Josephine all alone? It's more than a head game. Give it to me every way. Your lips, look at my boot right now. Working out the Lord, I said, yeah, little death, don't go away. Death will drown. I told you that there's a depth enough to drown. But all your walls on Wall Street, we want to go up and down. With the diamond queen to get you down, down. We've been to the next world. Ain't to average little girl. I've been to the other side. When you get that way, I'll take it out in your head. I'm a fan, electric girl. I ain't gonna blow your nose. I ain't gonna be a girl. You're gonna be my gracious host. Take it out and raw high. Take it on your backside. Take it on your backside. Take it on some cowboy rock. Blister little finger! One who said that?
love the pink sun's dressing. Wind blowing green. Busted out clear. Gypsy man like peg to his knee. See a flower flowing in the breeze. Gypsy man like peg to his knees. Yeah, see a busted out thing. 53, show the flower to me. Yeah, 53, summer dress blowing in the breeze. Busted out clean. Hey, 23, show it 53. Hey, 28, showing off the 53. Hey, 28, diamond please. Show your flower dress to me. Hey, 33, showing off to me. Summer dress is blowing in the breeze. Hey, birthday, showing off me. Summer dress is just blowing in the breeze. Turn 53, flowers sent to me. And by my darling fancy. Yeah, 53, no for me. You're my darling fancy. Got my empty bag for on the floor. Got my empty bag, what you want more? Got my empty bag, what even score? You could call me what ride with the door. Got bagged up the whole few. Peg for floor fuel. Yeah, peg to do anything too. Show me flower darling, we can do a screw. 53. Yeah, you're showing off your flower to me. Behave today, hey 24. You can't wait till we feel that summer heat. Why you go down for free? Is it there that you can't find me? Yeah, walk out of that 19. How come?